Amazon.com is an American multinational technology company which focuses on e commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. It is one of the big five companies in the US information technology industry, along with Google, Apple, Facebook, and Microsoft. Whether you are searching for a side hustle or a full time gig, here's how to make money on Amazon. There are different ways through which you can earn money on Amazon. As Amazon has grown, so has the opportunity for everyday folks like me and how you to make money through the e commerce mega power. Much of the Amazon's immense success comes from its ability to create and host marketplaces and charging for its platform and services. While millions and millions of people will pay Amazon for products this year, you can instead use Amazon to make money. No matter your background, resources, or time commitment, Amazon has a money making proposition for you. To prove that, check out this list for 10 ways how you can make money on Amazon. Start your own private label business. Through the Fulfillment by Amazon FBA program, selling on Amazon remains a tremendous opportunity for those looking for high upside, sustainable income. You have probably purchased plenty of products on Amazon. But did you know you might be buying from an independent seller not much different than yourself? Independent third party sellers sell over half of the products sold on Amazon. Private label refers to sellers who manufacture a product to be sold under a retailer's brand. Third party sellers are independent sellers who own a product to be sold. Thanks to the seller friendly Amazon FBA program, starting your own online business has never been easier. Enrolling in FBA gives you access to Amazon's seemingly endless warehouse storage space, 2-day Amazon Prime shipping service, and customer service team. These features eliminate the most challenging barriers of starting an online business while simultaneously placing your product on a platform with hundreds of millions of built in customers. The process of kickstarting an Amazon business is more simple than you would think. Find a product to source and sell with help from a product research tool like Product Discovery, with access to sales data for product markets and customizable filters. You can efficiently perform data driven research and dig deep to find a winning product. Once you have broken down the numbers and decided upon a product that is right for you, find a manufacturer. Sites like Alibaba specialize in manufacturing products for independent sellers. Sign up for FBA and ship your product to Amazon's warehouse. Just complete your listing and you are ready to start generating sales. Your listing automatically is equipped with the Amazon Prime badge. While selling on Amazon requires ongoing work in various business aspects, The startup is affordable and straightforward, with literally billions of dollars going to Amazon sellers. The prospect of selling on Amazon provides limitless potential for ongoing success. Resell goods through retail arbitrage. Want to make money on Amazon without the cost or commitment and reselling it on another at a higher price. Recently, buying sports cards and collectibles at garage sales to resell online at a marked up price increased in popularity. Because this often includes finding products on other websites like eBay or physically purchased products in stores. This option may not make sense for everyone. This makes scalability difficult but allows many to dip their toes into the water without diving in headfirst. However, if you find a product you can reliably flip for a profit, it's not much different than finding cash. Retail arbitrage is especially appealing for those who find joy in the hustle and grind. Find a wholesale distributor and sell products from an established brand. Wouldn't it be nice to skip building your own brand and sell products from name brands? If this sounds intriguing to you, wholesaling might be your route to success. In a way, wholesale mixes of one and two on the list. Wholesaling on Amazon typically involves buying products in bulk from an established company to resell for a profit. The process of finding an excellent wholesale product would be identical to private label until it's time to purchase. Once you have found a perfect product, you would go directly to the brand instead of sourcing from a manufacturer and slapping your logo on it. Instead, you would purchase the inventory and ship it to Amazon's warehouses under the brand name. For example, Nike stopped shipping directly to Amazon in 2019, yet people still search for Nike gear. Hypothetically, you could research Nike's wholesale policy and apply to become a wholesaler. If approved, you could sell a globally recognized brand that people are already looking to buy. Of course, this is dependent upon their approval. Your ability to gain the necessary certificates and documentation and the negotiated prices that impact your profitability. Start dropshipping on Amazon. Similar to retail arbitrage, dropshipping features even less seller responsibility, although it often requires even more research and lower profit margins. Dropshipping is an order fulfillment method in which the seller does not keep product in stock. Instead, the seller receives an order and passes it to a third party supplier who ships and completes the order. The appeal of dropshipping is apparent. You never touch or store the product, saving you a ton in manufacturing and inventory fees. However, the downside is equally prominent. Most of the money received will end up in the hands of the manufacturer, making it difficult to turn a profit. For many dropshippers, it requires a high volume of sales for it to be worth the time.